Hola estudiantes, let's talk about the present progressive tense. When you want to emphasize that an action is happening right now, at this moment, you use the present progressive tense. So for example, if I say Paco está lavando los platos, I'm saying that Paco is washing the dishes right now. If I say estoy haciendo la cama, I'm saying I am making the bed at this moment. So in order to form the present progressive tense, you use the present tense forms of the verb estar. So let's conjugate that verb together. For the subject yo, estoy. For the subject tú, estás. For the subjects él, ella, and usted, he, she, and formal you, está. For the subjects nosotros y nosotras, we, the form is estamos. For the subjects vosotros y vosotras, your conjugation is estáis. And then for your subjects ellos, ellas, y ustedes, they, and you guys, or you plural, your conjugation is están. After you use the present tense form of the verb estar, you're going to add on the present participle. So in order to form the present participle, you're going to drop the ending of the infinitive. So either drop off the AR, the ER, or the IR. And you will add ando for AR verbs and yendo for ER or IR verbs. So let's practice conjugating a couple of verbs together. For the subject yo, first of all, what's your form of estar? Estoy. And then if it was the verb lavar, I would cut off the AR and add ando. If your verb was correr, I would cut off the ER and add the ending yendo, corriendo. If your verb was escribir, I would remove the ending and add the ending yendo again. So I am washing, I am running, I am writing. All right, let's do the two form together. What's the form of estar? Estás. And then AR verbs become ando. ER and IR verbs become yendo. So you are washing, you are running, you are writing. So the easy thing about this tense is that the present participle repeats every time. And the part that changes is the form of estar. You just have to make it match the subject. So usted, ella, está lavando, está corriendo, está escribiendo. For nosotros and nosotras, we're going to use the nosotros form of estar. And then we're going to use those same endings again. So this is we are washing, we are running, we are writing. For vosotros y vosotras, the form of estar is estáis, and then these same endings. So lavando, corriendo, y escribiendo. Those repeat again here. And for ellos, ellas, ustedes, same thing. This is a pretty easy tense because you already know the conjugations of the verb estar. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, están. And then you just add either ando for AR verbs or yendo for ER or IR verbs. And then there's one verb to take a note of, leer, which means to read. It has an irregular present participle. It ends up with a Y in it. So leyendo is the present participle of leer. All right, see what you can do in the practice. Hasta luego.